Hi, I'm back again. Sorry about that, I run out of batteries. What I was trying to point out about this particular motor is after taking the pump off, I've noticed that the actual spline housing on here is going to be quite helpful. I'll show you the other motor I've got in a minute. Basically this motor turned in the correct rotational direction, which is anti-clockwise views from here, which should line up lovely with the gearbox on the Rover. Basically, if I just got this wired up to my car at the moment to this 12 volts, so I'll just flash this on here. As you can see, the motor will now run down. Doesn't sound too bad, might need a new set of brushes in there, I think. But that looks like the rotation, as I've just marked it on here, is anti-clockwise. There isn't much of an end fitting in this one, so this might need to be mounted on the bottom to be able to line up with the gearbox. As you can see on here, possibly, it is a 18 watt 72 volt motor. It's only rated at 1850, which will take me around to the back of my car. This is the other motor I've got access to. Sorry about the sunlight. This is a slightly smaller length motor, but the front of this one, the coupling on there, is completely flat, apart from a T-piece that sits out. So it's going to be very difficult to get that altered. Plus this rotates the other way, as you can see by the arrow we marked it the other day. So we might have to take this one apart and reconfigure the field of winding connections to get it to rotate the correct direction. With a DC motor, a simple one, no matter which way around you put the supply, it still rotates the same direction. So if I use the other one, what I showed you earlier, it'll be a bit easier. This motor here is the 80 volt one out of the other fork trucks. It's rated at 2000 RPM, so it's slightly higher rating. It's a 15 kilowatt, so it's a slightly lower kilowatt rating than the other one, which is the 18 one. It's quite new, it's only been in the fork truck just before they got taken off the road, unfortunately, so it's quite a new motor, so it may yet be used. And that's about it at the moment. I'm going to try and test the 4-speed revolution of it if I can, on just on a 12 volt motor to work out exactly how fast they go on 12 volts. Obviously I won't run them off load at too high voltage because they might run away themselves. Later on I'll hope to show you the 214 at home and show you what I've got for that already.